Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into HubSpot CRM, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type in the URL for HubSpot CRM, which is www.hubspot.com. On the home page, locate the login option at the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your email address associated with your HubSpot account in the provided field. Next, type in your password in the designated area. If you want the system to remember your login details, check the box for Stay Signed In. Once you've entered your credentials, click the log. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot My Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password using your email address. Check your inbox for a password reset email from HubSpot. Click the link in the email to create a new password. After resetting your password, return to the login page. Enter your email and new password as before. Click the login button to access your HubSpot CRM dashboard. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. Explore the different sections like contacts, companies, and deals. You are now ready to use HubSpot CRM for your business needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.